In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slides clickable in Shopify Dawn theme. If you want your slideshow images to act like links, so a click takes shoppers to a product, collection, or any page, you can do it with a quick, safe edit to the slideshow section. We'll work inside your theme code. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. On your active Dawn theme, open Actions and choose Edit Code. In the left sidebar, open Sections, then find and click slideshow.liquid. This is the file that renders each slide and controls the settings you see in the theme editor. First, we'll add a place to enter a link for each slide. In the schema at the bottom of slideshow.liquid, locate the slide block settings right after the image picker for the slide image. Add a new setting with type set to URL, an ID of image link, and a label like slide link. This tells the theme editor to show a URL field on each slide block, so you can choose where that slide should send visitors. Next, make the whole slide clickable by wrapping the slide with a link. In the markup where each slide is rendered, find the slide's main container, and, before the text or content wrapper, insert an anchor tag. Set its href to the setting you just added, block.settings. Image link, and use inline styles so the link covers the entire slide. Display block, position absolute, width 100%, height 100%, left 0, top 0, with a z-index of 1. This overlay link spans the whole slide area, which means a click anywhere on the image will trigger the redirect. Save your changes. Now, head back to Customize for your theme. Open the slideshow section, click into each slide block, and you'll see the new slide link field. Paste the URL you want for that slide. This can be a product, a collection, or any page on your store. If you prefer, you can use full URLs or relative links. Just make sure the link is valid and not empty. Save again. Preview your store and click each slide to confirm it goes to the right place. If you're using slide buttons or text overlays, test those too. Because the link overlay sits above the slide image, placing it before the text wrapper helps keep your content visible. If something is blocked, adjust the link placement or stacking order as needed. That's it. Your Dawn slideshow is now fully clickable, and your shoppers can get where they need to go with a single tap or click.